Everyone, I'm Dr. Devika Ayekpam, Assistant Professor in Sociology Program, Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, Assam Downtown University, Guwahati. So today let's discuss about a very important and interesting topic, that is association. So let's see what is association. An association can be called a group of people who come together to achieve any particular purpose or goal, and that too for a limited period of time. So here it is clear that an association is a social group. Without people, there cannot be any association. So we need to have people, and if which makes it as a social group, and the group of people should come together for a particular purpose or particular interest or goal for a limited period of time. So that is called association. In order to form an association, firstly there should be a group of people. Secondly, these people need to be organized and should be worked according to the given specifications and rules in order to give the successful output. Music clubs and trade unions can be considered as examples of association. So from here it is clear that the first there should be a group of people. Group of people should be there, which should be the member of the association. And secondly, the members of the association should be organized properly, and they should work properly, and there should be some rules and regulation for the proper functioning of the association, so that they can achieve the particular goal or the particular purpose for which the association has been formed. So we can give the example of the music clubs and the trade unions, etc. So next, let's go to the definition of association. As per R.M. McIver, an association is an organization deliberately formed for the collective pursuit of some interest or a set of interests which its members share. So from here it is all more or less the same, that it is a collective pursuit made by a group of people of some interest or a set of interests. It may be for one particular interest, or maybe for a set of interests, and which the member of the association share. According to Maurice Ginsburg, an association is a group of social beings related to one another by the fact that they possess or have instituted in common an organization with a view to securing a specific end or specific ends. So, according to Maurice Ginsburg, an association is a group made by the group of social beings, that are the people which are related to one another because they possess and they instituted in common. They have something in common and they share something in common, maybe some particular interest or particular goal they want to achieve, and they want to work together for that particular goal. So they come together and form an organization to secure a specific end or specific ends. So that is called an association according to Maurice Ginsburg. So association is nothing but a group organized for the pursuit of an interest or group of interest in common by a group of people, that is the social beings. So let's come to the characteristics of the association. The first point we have is common interest. So here we can say that association is not just a collection of individuals, but it is a distinct social group who has a common interest or a common goal which they want to achieve. There are many associations according to the in different interests. Here we can give the example of the people who are having interest in music. They form association in music, like the music clubs, and we can also give example like the religious organization or the student as organizations, associations which are being formed for a common interest, for a common goal. So this is common interest is one of the major characteristic of association. Next, we have regulations of relation. So every association has its own ways and means to control the or regulate the behavior and the relations of its member. So it means that they have their own rules and regulation for the proper functioning of the association. Next, we have cooperative spirit. So one of the characteristic of association is its cooperative pursuit to fulfill its interests. Since it is a social group made by the group of people, so there is need of cooperation and support system among the group, among the people itself or among the member itself to achieve their respective goals. Next, we have membership is voluntary in association, which means any individual who is interested in that particular goal or that particular interest, then they can join the particular association according to their choice. So it is voluntary in nature. Next, we can discuss association as agencies. Associations are means or agencies through which the members realize their interests or their goals. So we can say that association can be seen as an agencies also, as it is through association only they are going to achieve their goals or they are going to achieve their means. Next, an association may be permanent or temporary. So we can say here that some association may be permanent in nature, like the religious organizations, and some association may be temporary in nature, which may be ended or which may be closed after achieving that particular goal or after achieving their particular interest. So these are all about the concept of association and its characteristics. Thank you.